thing.
Green-collared female is really sweet.
Hey, puppy.
She has a very mild temperament. Look at these guys. Look at the big brute. Here he comes. And who's that? Purple collar male?
Yeah.
He's really cute. Is he peeing? Oh, snot.
Only like 3 drops. Okay. Oh. What?
And that would be the red collar. The female is second?
Yeah, look, the male's Susie laying.
That's the female. Yeah, she's spunky monkey. And he is pretty layback.
Hey, little baby.
They're all over this hibiscus tree. Hey guys.